In this question, you have to identify the location of sphincter of Oddi. Option A, junction of jejunum and duodenum. It is incorrect. The sphincter of Oddi is not located in this transition region between the parts of small intestine. Option B, ileocecal junction. It is also incorrect. In this junction, the ileocecal valve is present, but not the sphincter of Oddi. Option C, junction of hepatopancreatic duct and duodenum. Now, the sphincter of Oddi, which is a muscular valve that regulates the entry of bile and pancreatic juice into the duodenum, is present in this location. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, gastroesophageal junction. It is also incorrect. The cardiac sphincter is located at this junction, that is between the esophagus and the stomach, but not the sphincter of Oddi.